Having text behind a person in your marketing images, either on your website or social media, can make it very eye-catching and can really draw attention to your text. It's not obvious how you do this, but it's very easy in Canva using a feature called Magic Grab. So you simply go to Canva, you choose a canvas size. I'm choosing landscape here. Then you'd go to uploads, you'd upload your image, then you'd click to put it on the canvas. You'd right click to make it fit the canvas, and you could also double click in order to jiggle it around there if the person wasn't fitting properly. Next, you'll click Edit Image, and then you'll select Magic Grab. Then their AI will identify the main part of the image, in this instance the person, and it will isolate it and extract it from the image. You can now move that person anywhere you want in the image. That's very handy. It also means, however, you can place text behind the person. Then we go over to text on the left hand side, and then just choose whatever text you want. I'm going to choose this text for sale. Actually, I don't want sale written 3 times. I'm simply going to delete 2 instances of it, which leaves me with 1. I can change the color of the text if I want. Then to get the text appearing behind the person, simply right click on the person, layer, bring forward. Now the person is in front of the text, and then you can reposition it in any way you want. Make the text bigger, put the person to the left or the right. So this feature is in the pro version of Canva, not in the free version of Canva, but it's something that will really make your images stand out. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not subscribe to the channel? It'd be a big help to the channel, and you'll hear about our upcoming videos. Also in the comments, why not let me know what you think of the tool and whether you've used it. If you'd like to learn a bit more about how to use text in Canva in lots of creative ways, make sure you watch this video up here.